Like, what they charging for a wig install now, girl? 300, 500, 15, two bands? Like, girl, please. I did this wig at home, saved me so much money. I can take it on and off, not damaging my hair. Girl, please. Another quick and easy beauty maintenance done at home. I know it has been a minute since I have done a wig video. Honestly, life has just been moving really fast and quite busy. Today, I got this wig from my first wig, and y'all know I love them down bad. So I wanted to just do a video and show you guys like how quick and convenient this wig install can be. So most importantly, this wig already comes pre-bleached. I ain't got time to be bleaching knots and stuff. The lace already comes cut. Now you can cut it some more if you would like. It does come with bands in the inside, so it's going to give you the perfect fit. The lace is going to lay flat on your head like this. Come on, lace, melted. FYI, in case you have not noticed this, no glue, no gel on this wig. Only thing I'm going to be using to basically like help with the flyaways and give like a smooth hairline look is hairspray. And you really don't even have to use that. So yeah, girl, you can definitely take this wig off every day, every night, however you choose to do so. Or you can use the holding spray like I'm using right here if you want like a 3 to 4 day hold, depending on how much you use. And of course, if you're comfortable, you can use glue as well. Keep in mind, this is 100% human hair wig that you can treat as if it is your own hair. So you can cut it, you can curl it, you can bleach it, you can straight iron it, you can apply heat to it. It's not going to melt. Like, girl, I'm telling you, this is a wig that you need to have in your collection. I don't even know if y'all see this right now, but my flat iron is on the highest setting, showing you that the hair is getting bone straight without burning the hair. And it also does not have like a burnt chemical smell as I'm flat ironing the hair that some wigs do have. I'm gonna be 100% real with you. I've tested and worn a lot of wigs. Some wigs have like that chemical smell to it. This one don't. Even though I did not wash it, let me say that. So yeah, I'm just going to section my hair off and straighten my hair because I'm just going to go for a straight look today. Okay, so my flat iron is on the highest setting, and you can see the smoke literally coming from my flat iron, and the hair is not damaged. The hair straightens so nice. Like, look at that. Lace is melted, girl, and I did nothing. Look at the parting space on this wig. Look at that. See, that's what I'm talking about. When it comes to a wig, I needed to do this without having me do a whole lot of stuff. Straighten it, style it, whatever. I can do that. But as far as like the hairline, plucking, bleaching, all this stuff, nope, I don't want to do it. So yeah, my first wig, thank you for checking all those boxes because no, I'm not going to do all that. Anyways, I'm going to continue straightening my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so this wig can be professionally installed and it can be installed at home by you. Believe that. Do you see how easy this install was, girl? Like, no effort was needed at all. Literally, take a flat iron and wear this wig straight, or you got a curling iron, you know how to curl hair. Put curls in it, girl. That's all you literally have to do to this wig. This is a great way to, save your coins, learn how to do your hair at home, get familiar with wigs and installs and things like that. Oh, and by the way, I don't even know if y'all noticed this. I use no glue on this wig. So you don't even have to worry about doing damage to your hair, girl. And you can save money. This is a win-win. Like for real, this is a real life beauty maintenance that you can do at home that is super realistic and can save you a ton of money where you can put that money towards another maintenance that you can't do yourself just yet. I'm just trying to put you on. Also, let me say this. If you normally go get your wigs professionally installed, which is nothing wrong with that, you also need to have a wig in your collection that you can put on yourself and style yourself and doesn't require a lot of skills. You always will need a throw on wig that looks just as good as a professional install wig. And this wig right here is going to do it for you every single time. Like what they charging for a wig install now, girl? 300, 500, 15, two bands. Like, girl, please. I did this wig at home, saved me so much money. I can take it on and off, not damaging my hair. Girl, please click the link in the description bar. Stop playing.